The last part of this question asks us to find the mass percentage of the benzene vapor and the mass percentage of the toluene vapor above the solution. The mass percentages of the vapors of benzene and toluene are not the same as the mass percentages of the liquid benzene and toluene in the solution. Benzene is more volatile than toluene, as indicated by the higher vapor pressure value of pure benzene. We expect the mass percentage of the benzene in the vapor solution to be more than 25% found in the liquid solution. Mass percentage that was given in the question is a relative value that we use to find the relative number of moles for each component. To find the mass percentage of benzene and toluene in the vapor solution, we will use the relative partial pressure values. Assuming ideal gas behavior, we can say that PV equals nRT. Toluene and benzene have the same volume, R value, which is a constant, and they're at the same temperature. They only differ by their pressure and number of moles. For benzene, we can say that the pressure of benzene over the number of moles of benzene equals RT over V. This is a constant for both benzene and toluene because, again, both are at the same volume, R value, and T. So we can say that this value also equals the pressure of toluene divided by the number of moles of toluene. Ignoring this and setting these two equal to each other, we can rewrite this. Using the values that we found from part A of this question, we have that the partial pressure of benzene is 26.6 torr. Partial pressure of toluene is 20.4 torr. Again, we just need a ratio. Simplified, the vapor phase contains 1.3 moles of benzene for every 1 mole of toluene. If we convert these values from moles to grams, we get this value. So 1 mole of toluene is 92 grams, and 1.3 moles of benzene is 101.4 grams. To find the mass percent of the benzene vapor, we have the grams of benzene divided by the total number of grams in the solution, which is going to be this number plus that number. If 52.4% of the vapor is benzene, then the rest must be toluene. Again, the composition of the vapor is not equal to the composition of the solution because benzene is much more volatile than toluene.